Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Just trust Wales, I will teach you how to trade crypto step by step, focusing on spot and futures trading. If you are a total beginner, this video can help you improve your skills. I'll walk you through everything from registering with a broker to executing trades. Let's get started. First things first, registering on a broker. Let's talk about registering on a crypto broker. When selecting a broker, make sure it's reliable, has good customer support, and offers the coins you want to trade. Some newly introduced coins that are hot or even highly volatile may not be available in all exchanges. Once you have chosen a broker, go to their website, click sign up, and fill in your details like email and password. After that, you'll need to verify your identity and don't forget to set the authenticator code for more security. Now, depositing and withdrawing funds. Let's talk about sections and the first one, depositing funds. After registering, go to your account dashboard, select deposit and choose your deposit method where you can select depositing on chain and related protocols like TRC20, ERC20 and etc. In deposit, you make a unique address and receive assets in your exchange platform or wallet. Next, let's look at how to withdraw your funds. When you are ready to take out your earnings, go to the withdraw section, select your withdrawal method, and input the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to check fees as they can vary from one platform to another. And also protocols, as I told you, are the most important part, like TRC20 and ERC20, which are the most common. You should sync them with the destination platform, and if you don't, all of them will be lost. And then, spot and futures trading, how to open a position. Let's switch gears and talk about opening positions. First of all, spot trading. Spot trading is when you buy or sell at the current market price, or even you can set a limit to buy assets at the price you want to hit in the future. You can only gain profit as the market tends to be bullish. To place a spot order, go to your trading screen, select the coin you want to trade, enter the amount you want to buy or sell, and hit buy or sell. After that, we have futures trading. Futures contracts allow you to trade with leverage, predicting the future price of an asset. Unlike spot trading, you are not buying or selling the underlying asset, but a contract that gives you an exposure to its price movement. To place a futures order, you'll choose the contract, set your leverage, and decide whether you want to go long, expecting the price to rise, or short, expecting the price to fall. You can also set a stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk. Futures trading is more advanced. You are capable of gaining profit as the market goes up or down. So it's crucial to understand the mechanics before diving in. Though, what is leverage? Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. If the market moves 2%, it will be 20% for you. In another concept, for example, if you use 10x leverage, you can trade with 10 times more money than you have. While this can lead to higher profits, it also increases the risk of losing more than your initial investment. Always start with low leverage until you get comfortable with how it works. It is noteworthy that there is no difference between opening positions with $10 and 10x leverage or $100 and 1x leverage. So in large margins, you better not use high leverages. Next, we have extra key trading concepts. Let's go over some essential terms you'll encounter in trading. First, limit orders. These orders allow you to buy or sell at a specific price. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin at 92 and now it is 94, you can set a limit order to buy when the price reaches that level. Second, buy and sell orders. In spot trading, you can place buy orders when you think the price will go up and sell orders when you think it will drop, and they will be active as the price reaches it. Third, long and short positions. A long position is when you buy crypto expecting its price to rise, while a short position is when you sell crypto you don't own, hoping to buy it back later at a lower price. Here is the end of this chapter, and I should tell you that now you have everything to start trading. In my previous videos, you could easily learn price action and chart analysis in the most accurate ways, and now you know how to launch your trading account. If you haven't watched my previous videos, just go and check them out. What are you waiting for? Always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Drop any questions in the comments below and just wait for my next playlist. It is going to hit different.